My name is Hugo Gamino. I am making Pulpo Aguachile. So it's a riff off of the traditional aguachile. Octopus and seafood is near and dear to my heart. It really reminds me of my wife. It reminds me of our honeymoon when we went to Greece. And basically every other day we were eating octopus. Fast forward a couple years, and I'd never really tried aguachile in my life before, but when we were waiting for my second son, my wife was in her third trimester, our baby was gonna come any day now. We went to eat seafood. One of the dishes that we ordered was shrimp aguachile. My wife looked over and she said, I think it's happening. I think we're gonna have this baby soon. But my father-in-law kind of held me to the side and said, is it coming now, or do you have time? And she said, no, I think I'm okay. He's like, okay, we'll take another round of beer. It's like a dish dedicated to her and kind of is the background of it.